Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? That rumbling sound isn't just your stomach complaining. It's actually a fascinating process called borborygmi. When your stomach is empty, it starts cleaning itself. Your brain sends signals to your digestive system to push out any leftover food, gas, or air. This creates those growling sounds. It's like a mini workout for your gut. But here's the kicker. Your stomach can growl even when you're not hungry. Just smelling or thinking about food can trigger it. Your stomach is always ready for food. Next time your stomach growls, thank it for keeping your gut clean. Subscribe for more amazing science facts.